Have you ever wondered how to create a niche YouTube channel for your Shopify dropshipping store? In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, being unique and standing out from the crowd is critical. One powerful way to achieve this is by establishing a niche YouTube channel for your Shopify dropshipping store. Imagine the possibilities: an increase in visibility, boosted sales, and the chance to engage with a specific audience who share your interests and passion. We're talking about a platform where you can showcase your products, share insights, tips and tricks, and ultimately, establish a strong brand identity that resonates with your customers. The journey might seem daunting, but fear not. We're here to guide you, to break down the process into manageable steps that you can follow to create your own successful niche YouTube channel. So, are you ready to take your Shopify dropshipping store to the next level? Stay tuned as we take you through a step-by-step guide on how to create a niche YouTube channel for your Shopify dropshipping store. Why should you consider creating a niche YouTube channel for your Shopify dropshipping store? That's the big question, isn't it? Let's dive right in. Firstly, a niche YouTube channel allows you to target a specific audience. When you focus on a niche, you're not trying to appeal to everyone. Instead, you're zeroing in on a select group of people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. This can be a game changer. You're not just shouting into the void, hoping someone hears you. You're speaking directly to those who are already interested, making your marketing efforts more effective. Secondly, creating engaging content becomes simpler when you're operating within a niche. You have a clear understanding of what your audience wants and needs, allowing you to tailor your content accordingly. This can result in higher viewer engagement, longer watch times, and ultimately, more conversions. But it's not just about targeting and engagement. A niche YouTube channel can also enhance your branding. By focusing on a specific area, you establish yourself as an expert in that field. Your channel becomes a go-to resource for viewers seeking information or products within your niche. This builds credibility and trust, both of which are crucial in the world of online commerce. Moreover, when you have a well-defined niche, it's easier to collaborate with other businesses or influencers in the same field. This can open up new avenues for promotion and growth, helping you reach a wider audience. And let's not forget, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Having a niche YouTube channel increases your chances of being discovered by people who are actively searching for content or products like yours. This can lead to organic growth and long-term success. In conclusion, a niche YouTube channel can provide targeted reach, engaging content, enhanced branding, collaboration opportunities, and increased visibility. It can be the key to unlocking the full potential of your Shopify dropshipping store. Now that we understand the why, let's move on to the how. Before we start creating the YouTube channel, make sure your Shopify store is up and running. To set up your Shopify store first, sign up for an account on the Shopify website. Make sure you choose a unique, catchy name for your store that resonates with your brand. After signing up, you'll be guided through a simple setup process. This includes selecting a visually appealing theme that matches your brand's aesthetics. Then, you'll need to add your products. Take the time to write detailed, engaging descriptions and use high-quality images to really sell your products. Remember, your website is your storefront, so it's crucial to make it as user-friendly as possible. That includes ensuring your site is easy to navigate, has clear product categories, and a smooth checkout process. Payment and shipping settings are also part of the setup process. Make sure to configure these according to your business model and customer needs. Once your Shopify store is ready, it's time to start creating your YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is quite simple. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. The first thing you need to do is sign into YouTube using a Google account. If you don't have one, don't worry. It's easy to set up, and it's free. Once logged in, click on the user icon at the top right, then click on Create a Channel. Now you're in the Create a Channel page. You'll need to decide on a name for your channel. This is crucial, as it's one of the first things viewers will see. Make it relevant to your niche and easy to remember. For example, if you're selling handmade leather goods, a name like Leathercraft Central could be a good fit. After you've decided on a name, it's time to customize your channel. You'll want to create a compelling description that tells potential subscribers why they should follow you. This is your opportunity to highlight what sets your store apart. Are your products ethically sourced? Do you offer a unique selection unavailable elsewhere? Whatever it is, make it clear in your channel description. Remember, this is also a great place to include keywords related to your niche. This can help improve your channel's visibility in YouTube search results. but keep it natural and don't overdo it with the keywords. Next, you'll want to add links to your Shopify store and any social media profiles in the About section. This makes it easy for viewers to find your store and connect with you on different platforms. Your channel art is another important element. This includes your profile picture and banner image. They should be visually appealing and reflect your brand's identity. You might want to use your logo or a photo of your products. Finally, you'll need to verify your channel. This is a simple process that involves receiving a verification code via text message or a voice call. Once verified, you'll be able to upload longer videos and live stream. Your channel is now set up, let's move on to creating content. Scene script. Content is king, especially on YouTube. Now picture this, you've set up your Shopify store, established your niche YouTube channel, but what next? The answer lies in the heart of your channel, the content. This is the lifeblood of your channel, the magnet that attracts viewers, and the glue that holds your audience together. Creating high-quality, engaging content should be your top priority. But remember, it's not just about being visually appealing or sounding smart. It's about being relevant to your niche, providing value, and creating a connection with your audience. So, what types of content work well on YouTube? Well, the first type that comes to mind is how-to videos. These are instructional guides that provide step-by-step instructions for your audience. For instance, if your Shopify store sells skincare products, you could create a video on how to apply face serum correctly. The second type is product reviews. These videos can be a goldmine for your channel. You can showcase your products, highlight their features, and share your honest opinion on them. It's a great way to build trust with your audience, while also driving traffic to your Shopify store. Lastly, consider behind-the-scenes videos. These give your audience a glimpse into your world. You could share your product sourcing process, the journey of setting up your Shopify store, or even your day-to-day life as an entrepreneur. These videos humanize your brand and create a stronger bond with your viewers. But remember, regardless of the type of content you choose to create, consistency is key. Make a schedule and stick to it. This shows your audience that you're committed and reliable. Also, don't forget to mix up your content. Variety keeps your channel fresh and exciting. One day, you might post a product review, and another day, a behind-the-scenes video. This unpredictability keeps your audience coming back for more. Now that you have some content ideas, let's talk about promoting your channel. Creating a channel and content is just the start. You need to promote your channel to reach your target audience. With the right promotion tactics, you can attract the right viewers and convert them into customers for your Shopify dropshipping store. Let's start with one of the most powerful tools at your disposal: social media. Harness the power of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even LinkedIn to share your videos. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and be active in your niche community. Remember, social media isn't just about broadcasting, it's about conversation, so make sure to interact with your followers. Next, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. Just like your Shopify store, your YouTube channel and videos need to be optimized for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create engaging thumbnails and compelling video descriptions to not only attract viewers, but also to inform search engines about the content of your videos. Let's not forget about YouTube's own promotional tools. Use end screens and cards to promote your other videos or direct viewers to your Shopify store. Create playlists of your videos to keep viewers engaged and watching for longer. Another powerful strategy is collaboration. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche. This could be in the form of guest appearances, shoutouts, or even joint projects. Collaborations can expose your channel to a new audience, increasing your reach and potential customer base. Lastly, don't forget about email marketing. If you have a mailing list for your Shopify store, use it to notify your subscribers about new videos. You can also include a link to your YouTube channel in your email signature. Promoting your YouTube channel requires consistent effort, but the payoff can be significant. With each video you create, you're not just adding to your content library, you're also building a community around your brand, and that's priceless. With these promotion strategies, you're well on your way to creating a successful niche YouTube channel for your Shopify dropshipping store.